we're actually going to we're about to take down Monster Pine. Got the nifty lift going. I have to climb a little bit of it to drop the top. Got a big angle working. Got Rambo Rista in the lift. Just got that lift back. It took almost a month and a half for a part to come from England. That's the only downside of the nifty lift. Other than that, this thing's incredible. Nothing was wrong with it. It just needed the annual maintenance. I had one little bracket fixed that fixes the guide, but I had done a repair on it myself, temporary, which worked. Check back in.